Welcome back, YouTube audience. Embarking on the frontier of technological innovation, a lineup of 5 groundbreaking gadgets is reshaping the landscape of utility and convenience. Smartphones on our packet-sized command centers lead the way in seamless communication. Revolutionary edition of robotic walk boots enhances mobility, offering a transformative solution. Meanwhile, DJI's Avatar takes the skies, embodying the pinnacle of drone technology. This ensemble of gadgets represent the forefront of a tech-driven future, seamlessly integrating into our lives to elevate efficiency and redefine our daily experiences. Let's get started, but before watching the rest of the video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. DJI Avatar. Avatar is the second type of FPV drone released by DJI after the success of the DJI FPV drone. Well, what is FPV drone? FPV means first-person view. An FPV drone allows the pilot to see the live drone transmission via an FPV headset rather than on the screen of a phone. FPV pilots enjoy this drone and DJI FPV because you can also hover and fly smoothly in normal mode and see everything in detail. The Avatar also has a newly created turtle mode that flips the drone right side up if the drone is upside down on the ground. Additionally, a smaller, lighter, and more user-friendly DJI Goggles 2 headset is also available as part of the Avatar package. In sum, DJI has created a dynamic machine that will make users feel far more confident flying, offering an obvious entry point for those who don't want to relearn how to fly. AccuVein 500. AccuVein's vein visualization technology projects a vivid map on the skin detailing underlying superficial veins, bifurcations, and interluminal valves often invisible to the naked eyes. Vein visualization, also known as vein illumination, uses near-infrared (NIR) imaging for detecting veins. The AccuVein 500 employs 2 safe barcode scanner class lasers that works in tandem to provide a real-time image of subcutaneous vasculature up to 10 mm deep. During the use of the vein finder, the medical staff can save real-time vein image. They can go through the images in the device or connect with computer and transfer it to computers. This could be useful for doctors as needs to write academic clinic paper or teaching objectives. This is unique features only VS500 has as far as I know of. The device can show a center line for veins as reference for medical staff. It can improve the vein puncture successful rate. The Humane's Screenless AIPIN. The first wearable device and software platform built to harness the full power of artificial intelligence. AIPIN marks a new beginning for personal consumer technology, offering users the ability to take AI with them everywhere in an entirely new conversational and screenless form factor. AIPIN will be available to order in the United States from November 16th, starting at $699 for the complete system. AIPIN redefines how we interact with AI. Speak to it naturally, use the intuitive touchpad, hold up objects, use gestures, or interact via the pioneering laser ink display projected onto your palm. The unique screenless user interface is designed to blend into the background while bringing the power of AI to you in multimodal and seamless ways. AIPIN effortlessly integrates into your daily routine and elevates your interactions with the world around you. Designed to handle the simple and the complex, AI Mic supercharges search and quickly finds and contextualizes what you're looking for. AI-powered messaging can craft messages in your tone of voice, while the Catch Me Up function sorts through the noise of your inbox. New AI-driven music experiences come to life through a partnership with TIDAL, and the AI-powered photographer helps you capture and recall important memories. But 3D printer crafts robotics. 3D printing technology has made huge breakthroughs in recent years, able to quickly produce everything from small plastic components to entire buildings. But one area that remains a challenge is the construction of intricate mechanical devices which require multiple materials and moving parts. This new printer combines inkjet printing technology with error correction guided by machine vision to tackle this challenge and construct sophisticated functional devices. By scanning and adjusting layer by layer as it prints, it can maintain speed and accuracy while its multiple print heads lay down different materials side by side. And while the researchers behind the technique called vision-controlled jetting have started demonstrating prints with soft and rich plastics, the machine has the potential to print electronics or even cellular scaffold for tissue engineering. The nice thing about 3D printing is that it makes building robots easy. You can design whatever configuration of parts that you can dream up and have them in your hand virtually right away. This allows for rapid prototyping and experimentation. The Robot Boot Walk, a new exoskeleton boot that can help people walk faster, has been developed by researchers. The boot, which looks like a cast with wires traveling up to the back of the wearer's leg, can increase walking speed by up to 10% and save 17% in energy costs, at the same removing a 10-kilogram backpack. The system works by using precisely timed electrical motors which can impart a torque at the leg joint as the person walks. There were challenges in developing this system effectively. A person's walking speed varies widely over the course of a day, and each person's gait the specific way they walk, so the robot needs to be able to adapt to the user, and assistance must be calculated in a way that is specific to the wearer. A person's gait can be so unique that it could actually be used to identify someone. Other difficulties arise when trying to adjust for how the person might change their behavior when wearing the boot, known as the human-in-the-loop optimization. The researchers from the Department of Mechanical Engineering at Stanford collected physiological data as feedback to manage how the boot best helps and added in an adaptive controller that responds to the changes in how a person walks throughout the day. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification button to support us make more videos. See you in the next videos.